Hi folks, this is Dr. Virender Sodhi, first Ayurvedic and Naturopathic physician in USA. I'm a founder, CEO of Ayush Herbs and also founder, CEO of Ayurvedic and Naturopathic Medical Clinic. I graduated from Ayurvedic Medical School in India in 1980. And then I came to USA in 1986 and joined Bastyr University to become a naturopathic medical physician. I graduated in 1988 by taking extra amount of credits. I was taking up to 40 credits per quarter. And since then, I've been practicing here in Washington State since 1989. And I've seen thousands of patients with almost all kind of diseases. And also I did my fellowship in integrative oncology with Dr. Mark Rosenberg, and I've added lots of thousands of hours in integrative oncology. We see a lot of cancer patients, we see a lot of chronic disease patients from all over the world and including all over America. I'm very passionate about it. I love to help people, and if the healing comes, because which is within us, I like to provoke that healing mechanism in me and you. And so that has become a wonderful history with lots of wonderful success cases in almost every kind of disease you can imagine. I love hiking. I'm passionate about hiking. I love to go in the jungles, uh, explore the northwest here, and whenever I go back to India, I go hike in mountains of Himachal Pradesh, where I'm born and raised. I love gardening. That's my another passion. I grow my own herbs, my own vegetables, and my vision is to create a small farm where I'll be sustainable, independent, don't have to depend for outside food, because there is a lot of healing attached to gardening. When we garden, we are getting a lot of nourishment from the Mother Earth, the fresh food, fresh bacteria. They all help us heal. Thank you.